Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what Rome looked like in Roman times. Imagine a vibrant city, a true ancient superpower. Rome was a sprawling urban center, home to 1,000,000 residents, bustling with daily life. Its magnificent architecture, from grand temples to massive public baths, showcased its power and wealth. The city's layout was a testament to advanced engineering, with intricate road networks and impressive water systems supporting its vast population. Let's explore its key features. Ancient Rome was defined by its iconic structures. The Colosseum, a massive amphitheater, could hold 50,000, hosting gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. The Roman Forum was the heart of the city, a vibrant marketplace and political center where citizens gathered. Grand temples, like the Pantheon with its impressive dome, demonstrated incredible architectural prowess and engineering skill, reflecting the Romans' dedication to their gods and their empire's might. Beyond the grand monuments, daily life in Rome was dynamic. Residential areas ranged from luxurious villas for the wealthy to multi-story insulae or apartment buildings for the common people. Public baths were not just for hygiene, they were vital social hubs for relaxation and gossip. The city's streets were alive with markets, shops, and vendors, offering everything from fresh produce to exotic goods, creating a constant buzz of activity throughout the day. The grandeur of ancient Rome left an indelible mark on history. Its engineering feats, like aqueducts and concrete, continue to inspire modern construction. The principles of Roman urban planning, with organized streets and public spaces, can still be seen in cities worldwide. This incredible legacy reminds us of the ingenuity of a civilization that shaped the world. For those looking to simplify their daily routines, check out the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.